everyone. It's Sunday the 19th and we're going for a little ride to
Wilcox, PA.
Okay,
the Dam Inn and Eat.
We're going to the Dam Inn and eat.
Well, that took me a while to figure out what she was saying.
So we have Bob and Amy in front of us and we got another couple behind us. Two couples behind us. We got Jesse and Hannah.
Yep. Chad and Naomi. He's over there.
We're dazed and confused. Okay, so stay tuned. We'll see what we come up with. Well, we're about 10 miles out of town and we got some beautiful greenery.
Yeah.
We got stuck behind a few for a farm tractor. But look at the view. Woo! Well, stay tuned for more. Don't forget, subscribe, leave a comment, let us know what you think. Okay, we're in the big town of Brockway. The weather hasn't been cooperating. It's kind of still overcast. And it is 68 degrees.
Yeah, I'm glad I kept my coat on.
Yep. So stay tuned. We still got a ways to go. We got about 40 something miles to go. We're only about halfway there. Well, we got a nice downgrade. Oh. And I believe there's a sharp corner at the end of this mess.
Yeah. We were here not too long back, right?
What was that?
We were here not too long ago.
Right. Yeah, last year. Last season, I think.
Oh, I think we just hit this.
This is a nice curvy road. Pretty cool. Yes, it is. Sorry about that. We're almost to the Dam Inn.
Dam Inn and Eat.
And we're gonna eat. So stay tuned. Okay, we're here at the Dam Inn. And it looks pretty busy. Just gonna find a place to park. So we're not gonna get run over. Yeah, they can pull out. Okay, we're at the Dam Inn. Wait for our food. It was here, everybody's a year ago. There's a guy trout fishing earlier. Nice place. Pretty cool. Cool place.
Didn't we ask somebody how to get to the dam the last time we were here?
Yeah. Okay. We had a beautiful meal.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Amy and Bob. You don't have to do that, but we much appreciated. Beautiful meal. Great company.
Yep.
Few laughs. Now I don't know where we're going. I guess we're going to look for the dam. Put the dam in. At least the sun's out and it turned into a beautiful day.
What do you have for temperature?
84.
That sounds normal.
Yeah. Since it was like 68 when we pulled in to eat. So stay tuned and thanks for coming along with us. We found water. Okay, let's go wash the bike. All right. What dam is this?
Hey, hi.
Dam, huh?
It's the dam.
It's Clarion River where it starts.
Okay, so that's clever. And it's a dam.
Are you videoing that?
Absolutely.
Oh, well, then I'm better shut up.
I'll pause it. Well, I had to pause that because Bob was, yeah. This is a family video. Mom.
Did you want a picture of?
So we was here back in
Hannah gets her hair
August 5th of last year. And we're back up. I think it's a little bit higher than it was back in August. But look how clear that water is.
But he said that he's doing fine. They just gotta keep him in the next.
Look at that.
Mom are both doing good now.
Yeah, they got 999s now.
I don't know what his name is.
But they said the 999s are just like the kind of like
Mm-hmm.
they're harder to set. They last.
Turned out to be a beautiful day. Check that out. Woo! Windfall Road, wherever we are.
St. Mary's, maybe?
Heading towards St. Mary's. Or in St. Mary's, I don't know. There's another beautiful view. We're on Route 255. Coming off some of these mountains, so nice. Well, we got some beautiful view. Beautiful day. We're heading home. Probably got one more stop. Or one more stop, I should say. One more video of, you know what that's going to be. So thanks for coming along with us. And I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. But, sorry you couldn't taste the food. It was yummy. Well, stay tuned for more of exploring PA, eating out at PA, just having a good time in PA. Home sweet home. A little late, but we got a little bit of it. Thanks for coming along and subscribe. Leave a comment.